Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss one of the important scenario based interview question that I found in my last interview. So let's discuss about problem definition first. We have a CSV file that contains 100 records. It's a department ID, department name and manager ID, and in that there are 80 distinct values for a particular name, department, particular column name called department ID. So meaning is that there are 20 records are repeatedly available or duplicated in the CSV file. So we need to create a 80 different CSV files where it contains individual department numbers. For example, department ID is equal to 1 having 2 records, then those 2 records must be available in a single file. So in that sense we are going to write a code that generate 80 different files that contain respective department information. So this is a problem definition. To solve that issue, what we are going to apply here, first we need to identify that what are the distinct department IDs are available that we need to extract. Then we are going to iterating these records distinct values and filter out the information of the particular department ID, then save that particular result into a separate CSV file. So like that we are going to take the two-step process here. First step is extracting the department distinct department IDs. The second step is we are going to create a data frame that contains the respective department information. So let's start with the first we need to install the PySpark in Google Colab. Then I am having the input file in the name of department data where it contains different types of information like department ID, department name and department manager or manager employee ID. So like that we are having some information. So there are some 20 records are duplicated here, so because we need to store the duplicated values in a particular CSV file. So it's just like identifying duplicate values in the data frame. So first step is I will going to read the input file and it's a location. Then I will create the input file data frame by reading the spark read.csv by giving the path and header is equal to true, meaning that it's going to create a data frame that contains all the information about the department. Then going to the very important step is I need to identify the distinct departments available in the data frame. So for that I am going to use the select command where it is going to select the department ID, only those records that are distinct one. I will not take all the department IDs, so I will only take distinct department IDs, and I am going to apply that flat map on the particular data frame. So flat map will individually transform each and every element of RDD into one or more elements, meaning that related elements are going to extract here. Then later we are going to call the action called collect to collect all these information based on the command. Now the first step is completed. So whatever the distinct departments are available, we are going to store in the one data frame. So department ID, that all our distinct values are available here. Now we have to iterate these department IDs in the department in the DF framework data frame. So from that we are going to extract that particular information and store into the CSV file. So what I am going to do is I am going to take the df.filter. So what we will do that, we are going to extract all the information of particular department where DEPT is equal to department number. Okay. So what are the departments available in that particular distinct department? So those values I am going to take it, and based on that I am going to select the records of the data frame. So meaning is that this filter out only the same records, same department ID if it is having one or more records, otherwise it is going to return the single record. Now for these extracted data we are going to store into the separate CSV file. So that is output path. We are going to store we have to just give the name of the file and its location where it needs to be stored. Then we need to write the CSV file. So ofc.df.write.csv. So whatever the data frame available from ofc df, they are going to store into the separate CSV file. So after that we can see that what is the content of ofc df is. So these are all the information. So these are, we are going to extract the related information depending upon the department ID and store into one CSV file. So that is about the third step, this one. So by doing this, we can execute the program and you can see that whether we are getting the proper output or not. So I will just rename this as a 3. So already 2 output files are available. So I will going to give the third one. Let's run it. Yes, it's yet succeeded. So let's see that we're going to open that particular CSV file where department ID is 11. You can see that there is only one record available for 11. So that information I have stored into a separate CSV file. Let's take it 20 having 2 records. Let's see any other records are duplicated here. 18, 20. Let's see for 18. 2 records are available. So like that we are going to achieve this using the concept of PySPark with RDD flat map. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching the video.